Alright everyone, let's get started. Here I'm using a BB cream of my choice. This particular one is very opaque and moisturizing. You can use foundation or powder foundation if that's your preference. Blend everything together. I'm using a sponge, but you can use a brush if you like. Now I'm applying a little bit of corrector just to make everything even. Just bear in mind this is not a full coverage face. I just want to make the face overall very presentable. Set everything with powder, any powder of your choice. It can be loose, translucent. And I'm finishing my eyebrows since they were already halfway done. Here I'm using KIKO Cosmetics High Pigment eyeshadow just to finish my eyebrows. If you have not given it a try to KIKO, check it out. Their products are fantastic. Now with my Wonder Beauty eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take the blue eyeshadow, which is called Coastal, and I'm going to pack it on the eyelid, and at the same time shaping that eyeshadow to my desire. This palette has minimal fallout and it has very good consistency. Here I'm showing you both sides so you can appreciate the payoff of the color. And now I'm taking my LORAC palette and the very blue eyeshadow called Pika, and I'm going to use that as my blending eyeshadow tone. This is very fantastic, the consistency, a little shiny but very soft. You're gonna take a little bit of eyeshadow, blend those edges, remove the excess from your brush and blend. So clean your brush, blend, clean your brush, blend some more. Blue could be a little harsh, but take your time. It's all worth it. whatever excess on your brush, you're going to apply it on your lower lash line very gently. For a pop of color, I'm choosing a very light blue eyeshadow, which I am applying on my inner corners just to bring all the eye look together. Then I'm taking a gel eyeliner, color blue as well, and applying that on the waterline. You can use black, you can use a cream color. My choice at the moment is blue. And blend everything together. Apply mascara. This particular mascara is very good. I also received it as part of my subscription, my Ipsy box, and I'm very satisfied. Now with my Smashbox palette, which I love, it doesn't get enough mentions, and it should. I'm taking a combination of the contour powder and the bronzer just to shape and define the face very gently with tapping motions. And I'm also combining the blush with the two highlighters and applying that on the cheeks very gently, blending everything together just to bring more definition to the area. Now with a lip liner, line your lips. If that's your preference, you can end up with a coat of lip gloss. But I'm deciding to line my lips first, just to make things more even. Using my INGLOT lip paint, which is very opaque, very concentrated, good formula. I love INGLOT, and using that as my base color and sealing everything together with a lip gloss. Thank you for the company. I hope you like this look. And if you learned something, just let me know. So if you like this video, just share it, like it, comment down below. Send me an email if you would like to send me any suggestions. And until the next encounter, take care.